So I'm down here at a waterfall, going to metal detect it. Used to be the site of an old gristmill.
An old what?
Gristmill. They used to make corn and stuff, so we're going to metal detect it and see what all we can find down here today. Just do a quick little. Uh-oh. That's a good hit there. Hitting on a... Yep. Let's see if we can get that out. I didn't bring my other scoop. Let me check it out with this right here. My pinpointer. It was ringing on an 84, so it's probably going to be a coin.
There's a big metal piece of something over there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find it.
We could also look under the rocks to see what they're too. But they're pretty heavy.
It had a good ring on it. Let's see if we can find it. Might be deeper than I... Let me hit it on that metal detector again. You heard that ring. It was good. It was good. Saying it's kind of about 6 inches deep. I should be able to hit it with this pinpointer. Oh. Right there we got something. Okay. Let's see. See if we got something here. See if it's still in there. It's still in there. Might be deeper. Definitely something in there. Alright, I'll hit y'all back as soon as I find it. I gotta use 2 hands. So I got another good target. 84, 85. It's deep. I'm gonna try to dig it up. That last piece, or target I had, I dug, it wasn't nothing but rubbish. Like I said, there was an old mill here, but you know, we flood around here, so all kind of trash washes in. So you never know. Let's see. Okay, so it's deeper. That's a good sign. Let's just bet it's still there. When it's deep like this, that's also a good sign. It could be something from back when it was the mill. Let's see. I forgot my strap that I could put on my chest to carry the GoPro, so I have to do it by hand. And that sounds like it's right there. A lot of rocks down here. Let's see. Let's get a good bite. Let's see what we got here. A little nail, but I don't believe. Let me check. Yeah, I was gonna say I could hear a junk signal in with that good signal, so since I got something else down here, I'm gonna go ahead and dig it. Let's see. escaping me. Let's see what we got here. Oh, got a coin. Let's see what it is. Wow. Stinking Lincoln. I wouldn't have thought it'd been that deep. Hoping it would have been a weedy. Alright. See what else we can find. Found a couple quarter, dime, penny. Nothing old yet. Something on top there. Let's see. Gonna hit that pool next right there and see what's in there. Just handheld out and see. Oh, ain't even on. Damn rocks. Rocks make it hard to dig. Let's see. Hold on a second. I think I need to get my little. I think this will work better. Let's see what we can do with it here. It's got that point on it. Yeah, there we go. I can move the rocks with it. Shit. See what we got here. Alright, let me set you down for a minute. Set you down, let me use both hands real fast on this one here. I don't know if I can get it. I'm following it back under this big rock. Looks like he's going back under that way. Let me hit it with my metal detector. Make sure it's ringing on something good still. I don't want to dig trash. Go through all this work for. Damn candy wrapper or something that washed down. Bullfrog. I don't know, it's under this. I'm gonna go on If I don't find nothing else, I'll come back and work on it. It's up underneath that big rock. So I left that spot over there where something was under the rock. Hadn't went to the pool, but come around over here. So I got a couple of signals. You can see my little holes I hadn't covered back in yet. Just some rubbish. But I came over here, started digging, and there was something deep down there, really deep. And I just found a gun. I'm sure it's a toy gun, but it's an old one. It was probably about 8 inches deep in that hole. Let's wash it off and see. Oh, look at that. Let's wash it off. Wow. Load here, it says. It's a toy gun, but it's a pretty cool find. I thought it was real at first when I pulled it up, because it was covered in all the dirt and I couldn't quite tell, but yeah. Wow. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna continue digging and see what else I can find. Cool. All right, we was at the waterfall down the way. Now we came to another one. We were going to metal detect that. We actually come across shark's teeth. So we're going to stop metal detecting and start digging some shark's teeth, because they're laying on top of the ground, so they got to be under it. So we'll see how many we can find and show you at the end of the video, unless we find a megalodon tooth. I just want to show you all the size of this shark's tooth that we just found laying right on top of the ground. Nice, pretty big. You found another one?
Yep.
Oh wow. So we're finding a lot of them here. Here you go, son. But this big one here is the biggest one I've seen so far. Just want to show y'all. Maybe we'll find some more. So we're still out here trying to find more shark's teeth. They're getting harder to find. We don't got no equipment to do any sifting with like we would do when we go arrowhead hunting. But we're just kind of digging a little bit. Still haven't found any ones like the one I just found. But if we find more, we'll show you. So we're at another river now. I've metal detected this river many a time, so I didn't bring my metal detector down here. Instead, we're looking for arrowheads today. And this is a piece of flint. Some people call it chert, but arrowhead or a scraper or something was made out of this. And we found some in this river before. So maybe we'll find some actual arrowheads before we have to leave. So, but piece of flint's fine. I mean, that's a good find right there. So you know there is arrowheads in here. We find a good one, or hell, if we just find one, we'll show you at the end of the day. All right, well, I'm back at the house for metal detecting. We hit 3 different rivers today. We found pretty cool stuff. We didn't find no precious, but found some old nails. I think that's what them are. I'm not exactly sure. Some rubbish. This was looked like an old medicine bottle. I wish we would have found it whole. That would have been a cool find, but part of it, that's all right. It's pretty cool. Found some bullet casings. Maybe they went to this gun. Quarters, dime, pennies. It's a toy gun. I thought it was a real gun at first. Got excited about it, but it's still a cool find. I have found smaller guns like this in the past, but I've never found one this big. But I have found them with the H on it right there like that. I'm not sure how old this one is, but it's still a cool find. And when we went to the other river, we started looking down and we started finding shark's teeth. So we found, I don't know, probably about 20 or 30 shark's teeth, but this was the biggest one we found. It's pretty cool. So, and then we went arrowhead hunting. Didn't find nothing but a piece of flint or chirp, whatever you want to call it, depending on what part of the country you live in. Wish I'd have found an arrowhead that was made out of this, because that's pretty cool looking. So we didn't find no precious today, but it was all right. all in all, it was a good day. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll make another one soon.